she gonna do it?
Yeah, of course she is. I really hope she does not. As your attorney, I'll sue you.
I know, as I watch me turn the camera away for 1 second and she does it. Oh, there she goes. Oh no, she's going in slowly.
I hope somebody knows first aid. Can't even see. She's probably not even wearing her freaking glasses, contacts, anything. And then Ty's gonna jump in and ruin it. Ty said, "Come here, boy." Makes for a really nice picture, though.
Yeah. Come on, you pussy!
It's rock.
Come on!